Okay, people. How you guys doing? Today, I'm gonna tell you a little bit about affiliate super affiliate system. Super affiliate system is a system built by John Cristani. This man has helped me a lot. Um, I have studied how to make money online for a long time, but every time I try, it fails. So this time, I came I saw on TV actually. I think it was an interview about John Cristani, and he was selling a book for that says how to make money online for beginners. So I decided to buy the book and learn how to make money because I've been trying several times, a lot of years, and everything nothing works out. But I was so lucky. Um, I came about this book. I learned a lot, and now I have made, now say I make about $300-400 in 2 weeks, which is not bad. It's a start, but it's good. Um, so if you wanna follow him, I put the link on the bottom. So check the link and click on the link and see if he can help you out. All right. I hope to see you guys again, and you can subscribe. I'm gonna bring more videos or whatever ways I find out that makes money. I'm gonna bring it to you guys. So you guys subscribe and also click on the link. All right, take care. Bye.